Going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So today what we're gonna do is very simple. Today we are going to be doing how to highlight those text. It's gonna be a very short video. Hopefully it is informative. And yeah, we are very close to 100 subscribers and set up videos review while we hit 100 subscribers. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you have not already, and let's get into the video. So guys, to do this, what we're gonna do is we are inside our text editor, Visual Studio Code over here. So to do this, it's very simple. First, we're gonna write a text. So let's go to a paragraph and do a paragraph right there, and let's go and let's go and write something. Let's say like hello everybody, and we'll just write like subscribe. Like that. We'll just save this control plus S, go to this thing and just control plus R, and it says hello everybody, subscribe. So we got this over here. It's just a classic paragraph. And yeah, by the way, this page is the thing that you can link to, and you just click this and go to another page. That video will be down in the description. Anyway, right now we'll go back to Visual Studio Code, and now we have done that. So the thing is that you should select the area that you want to mark. So it's not necessary that you should put this the paragraph tag, like it's not like too necessary. So we can just write it like this. It would be the same. For proof, I'll save this, go ahead and refresh it, and you can see it's still the same. And so for like, if you want to highlight the whole thing, you can highlight, but now I just want to highlight this everybody. So there's a whole new tag for highlighting, and the tag is the mark tag. So we're gonna use the mark tag over here. It's MARK, like that. So this, what this mark tag does, it makes the thing to mark, like highlight it. So we can just do the mark tag, the closing tag, and the opening tag over here. So this everybody right now will be marked. So we'll just save this and just minimize it and just refresh it. And after, if you can see over here, it's hello, and this everybody over here will be marked. Subscribe will be like that. So what we are gonna do, that mark is only for everybody. If you want to make it for the whole sentence, it's very easy. You can just put the mark over here, like starting over here, like that. That's just the ending tag, and the starting tag, you can put it over here. Come with this, so just like this, and it'll be now the mark starting is over here and the ending is over here, which will make it happen to highlight it the whole paragraph like this. Hello everybody, subscribe. So that is exactly how we do highlight a text and highlight a text and HTML. Is very simple and easy. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me, you guys. So subscribe and help me help out YouTubers, small YouTubers like me out a lot. So hopefully you like this video and you can subscribe if you like that, and if you like this, and it should be very, very nice. And that's it for today's video, and goodbye.